Hello guys, welcome to the third video. My apologies for the market structure shift. That was supposed to be um the previous video before this video, sorry, was supposed to be part of the market structure, but I had to make it a separate video so that you guys won't rush the lessons. Okay, so that's why I'm naming it 2.1. If you check the videos names, okay. So following the content, the table of contents, this is your third video. Okay. So in total, I've sent you guys 4, but this particular one is the third one. Okay. So the last 2 videos I sent are classified as just one video. Okay. Good. So now this is market liquidity, and this is where the first insight of the strategy comes in. This is where you need to be very, very careful. This is where you need to be. Yeah, something like that. Just be, okay, okay. Yeah, something like that. I don't know if you understand. Just pay close attention because it's going to be very tricky, okay? Again, I'm going to bore you with this disclaimer. It's very important, okay? Read the disclaimer, guys, please. Now, understanding market liquidity. Liquidity is everywhere, guys. It's everywhere in the marketplace. What is liquidity? Liquidity refers to the efficiency or ease with which an asset or security can be converted into ready cash without affecting its market price. Okay, pay attention. Most liquid asset of all is cash itself. Liquidity in forex trading is known as open float. Available orders, buy orders. In simple words, it's just money, it's cash. It's everywhere in the marketplace, guys. It's everywhere. Now, there are 2 types of liquidity. There are the buy side liquidity, which are above the marketplace or at swing highs. Remember, guys, I taught you guys about swing points, and I'm going to show and throw more light on swing points. Okay. Now, the first one is called the buy side liquidity, which is found above, it's always above. Buy side liquidity is always above the marketplace. Okay. Sell side liquidity is always below the marketplace. Now, these levels are very important in price, and price would always be drawn to these levels all the time. Market would always go there. Okay, all the time. It's not, market is not drawing towards support and resistance. It's not drawing towards a particular indicator or a moving average. No, guys, it's not. It's drawing towards liquidity, and liquidity is of 2 types: the buy side and the sell side. Okay, let's move on. Let's talk about the buy side and sell side liquidity. Now, looking at this first video, your top left, you can see we have the blue line and the red line. That blue line up there is the buy side liquidity. Remember, buy side liquidity is always above the marketplace. Sell side liquidity is always below the marketplace. You don't need to cramp. If you are selling something, it's going down. If you are buying something, it's going up. And remember, price is always drawn to these particular levels. Okay. Now, as you can see, price was drawn to this sell side liquidity over here. See what it did? It came here and it took it out. That is what liquidity does. It will drag price. So it was obvious here that the market or investors were interested in selling this market to take out this sell side liquidity because there were a lot of cash sitting at this particular point. How would you know? Very soon in our subsequent classes. Okay. Now, again, another form of liquidity is called the equal lows. I don't know if you can see it right here. It's called equal lows. This particular candle's low and this particular candle, those lows are equal. Whenever you see any place in the market structure that is very clean, it's equal. Like the moment you see it, you're like, wow, this line is equal. Like the way the candles are equal, that particular point is a suspect. Now, look at this first line again. You see these 2 points right here? That is clean. That is clean. See what happened. See the way market came over to sweep all of them and then came right below that low. The market is not random, guys. Looking at this particular one right here, those equal lows right there. See what happened? Market came down, took out those equal lows, then started going back up. This is called the stop or hunt. I will explain to you guys very soon more. I will throw more light on that on our subsequent classes. Okay. And that's why you are not going to watch just this video and start placing trade and making money. No, it's a 6-month class and you have to stick with me and we'll work together. Okay. Nice. Now, let's talk about the buy side liquidity. Again, buy side is always at the top and sell side is always at the bottom. Looking at it right here, buy side drew price closer and then market took out buy side liquidity. Again, look at these equal highs. Is that not too equal? It's too clean. The market does not want something as clean as that. Look at what the market did. The market came, took out those equal highs, and then did what? Came down to take out these equal lows right here. If you can see right below this particular line right here, see those lows right there? They are two equal, guys. The market will take out the buy side, that's this equal highs. Then where is the next form of liquidity? Sell side. If market take out buy side, it will be going to sell side. If you take out sell side, it will be going to buy side. Now, it's not as easy as as how I just said it. You need to have a context and a narrative to why it's going there. And that is what we're going to develop together within the next 6 months. Okay? Good. Now, liquidity can also be found in the following swing points: previous month high and lows, previous week highs and lows, previous day high and low, previous session high and low. I'm going to show to you guys all of these particular swing points in our live class. Okay, I'm going to be sending some videos, sending you guys some chart reviews. I want you guys to study them and then you guys will understand what we're doing. Okay, now your homework is this. I want you to go to your chart and look for all of these equal highs and equal lows. You may call it double top and double bottom. Yeah, look for them. Just look for them and see how price took them out. Just watch. See how price took those points, those particular equal highs and equal lows. Just watch those levels. Okay, so that's it, guys. That'll be all for market liquidity. As you can see, it's not that difficult. It's not difficult. But when you go to your chart and start looking for it, then you realize how difficult it is. Because, guys, it's not going to be that simple. Okay? So, till our next lesson, trade well, trade safe, and trade what you understand. Peace.